I'm starting this vlog out in my car because it wouldn't be me if I weren't rushing. But anyways, it is bright and early, 6 a.m. We are headed to Dollywood today.
Working 9 to 5, what a way to make.
I'm so excited. Sorry I haven't posted in so long. Your girl's been booked and busy. Very excited for today. It's a pretty day outside. It's gonna be beautiful and sunny. Yeah, where's Dollywood? Anyways, you know what I'm talking about. And we are heading to the school, so I'll see you there. We have arrived at the school live from New York, and it's grown up glory. Yes! 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 Wait, Grant! Grant! Woo! Yes! 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 Yes!
What want me to say?
Say anything.
I just smacked her in the face.
Kellyanne! Hi! Grant!
You caught me at my worst.
Hour 2. Okay.
Video, okay, before, and then we'll do a video after when I get makeup.
Right.
Hello vlog, my name is Evan Grace Gill. I just wanted to give you an update.
Yeah, see that lighting.
I just wanted to give you an update on what we're doing. We are talking mad crap about everybody.
What just happened? We hate
I'm better now.
Wait, hold on.
Hey Dollywood, hey Bird, hey Dollywood.
You're done. Also, hate birds. Me and Kennedy hate birds.
I'll put bird feed on your bug zapper. I hate birds.
Yes, bird haters.
hitting the windshield?
Guys, I'm gonna pee my pants.
Kennedy, put your hands up.
We're here. We have arrived. I'm literally covering your face. Hold on. We have arrived. My lipstick is gone. It's okay. And my face is That's it? Are you gonna say something else? Okay. We are joking.
It's realistic. I don't think I'm gonna get video.
Working 9 to 5, what a way to make.
I don't think I am either.
Yes! Yes!
Oh my god! Oh, this is the after of my makeup.
Yes!
We just parked and now we're about to go get some wine.
Yes!
We're so excited. It's hot as heck.
It is, but we're gonna get Riley. Where is she? She's gonna ride like something.
She is.
Fine.
We will keep you posted.
Also back.
Oh my gosh, I just realized we're with Kennedy and Kennedy is vlogging this.
Yes!
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 Are you the official vlogger?
Yes!
Yes!
Ride.
Yes, that was so good. It was so much
Great
fun.
first one.
It was
Review
a
of
dark
the ride, you guys.
Yes, right. It was so fun. It was a little rough, but it was so
Right.
fun. And Riley did it. Riley did it.
Yes!
Riley!
We did it! We did it! Where's Clark? No, it was really fun. Okay. Wait, what? Yes. Don't get a milkshake. Why?
Yeah, we're probably gonna barf it out.
Oh, true. Facts.
Yes, Dollywood! We
We're
just
still-
had a delicious burger and some delicious, very crunchy fries.
They were so good.
And then we all went to the bathroom. And
That
we
was
didn't have to
cute.
wait any lines for any of that.
Exactly.
'Cause Dollywood is not that busy today.
It really
Dollywood
isn't
is
for a
not that busy
Saturday.
today. No.
We're kind of flying through.
And now we're walking to the Fire Chaser, I think is what it's called.
Yes.
And we're gonna meet up with our teacher, hopefully, and ride that.
If she chooses to come with us.
Which she will.
Exactly, because she likes our group the best.
Yes.
Right. We have finished riding rides. We're waiting on our awards. That would be knock on wood. Right. But I feel like it's inevitable. You know what I mean? Like we kind of killed. Yeah. Ooh. Blue Diamond.
Blue Diamonds was fantastic.
Blue Diamond.
It was fantastic. It was.
Blue Diamond.
It was.
Yes.
We have some directors that were performed on Friday. All of you performed on.
Yes. We got trophies.
We won 4 trophies and a soloist award.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Because we're the best, actually.
The best of the
Best
And it's
choir
proven.
overall.
It's
Blue
proven.
Diamonds, our acapella jazz
Yes.
group. Best choir in the whole competition.
See this?
Look how big, just show them how big my trophy is. See, it's the size of a small child. It's so big, because that's how big our success is.
Yes.
Did you get me in the beginning doing this with my belly? I was doing like this.
Wait.
Oh, baby, it's raining.
Dance for the vlog.
To me.
Alright, you guys, that is the end for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm sorry that I haven't posted in like a few weeks. Your girl's been busy. But today was very fun. Don't mind me, I'm literally like my allergies. Do you see these eyes? But anyways, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time for another video. Bye. Okay.